Organized stock exchanges. A security marketplace where purchasers and sellers regularly gather to trade securities according to the formal rules adopted by the exchange. An organized security exchange is defined as a security marketplace where the purchasers and sellers regularly gather to trade securities according to the formal rules adopted by the exchange. Stock exchange or organized stock exchange, also called as stock market or share market, is one important constituent of the capital market. It is an organized market for the purchase and sale of the industrial and financial security. It performs various functions and offers useful services to investors and borrowing companies. It is an investment intermediary and facilitates economic and industrial development of the country. Stock exchanges is an organized market for buying and selling corporates and other securities. Here, securities are purchased and sold out as per certain well-defined rules and regulations. It provides a convenient and secure mechanism or platform for transactions in different securities. Such securities include shares and debentures issued by public companies which are duly listed at the stock exchange and bonds and debentures issued by the government, public corporations and municipal and port trust bodies. Listing of securities. A listed security is a financial instrument that is traded through an exchange such as the NYSE or NASDAQ. When a private company decided to go public and issue shares, it will need to choose an exchange on which to be listed. To do so, it must be able to meet an exchange listed requirements and pay both the exchange entry and yearly listed fees. Listing requirements vary by exchange and include minimum stock holders equities, a minimum share price and a minimum number of shareholders. Exchanges have listed requirements to ensure that only high quality securities are traded on them and to uphold the exchange's reputation among investors. Trading and operational mechanism. Stock exchanges are used by millions of investors every business day to trade shares of ownership in public corporations either as long-term investments in the company's growth or short-term speculations on movement in the shares price. The mechanism of trading differ from one exchange to another, and some limits are placed on how they operate by government. The mechanism of trading that an exchange uses is important to investors because different mechanisms lend themselves to different trading volume limitations and pricing behavior. Whatever the mechanism, the event that we label as trade, execution or fill of an order actually only constitute a preliminary agreement as to terms. The agreement sets in motion the clearing and settlement procedures that will ultimately result in the transfer of securities and funds. These processes are usually automatic and routine, and the traders seldom need to concern themselves with the details. It is important through that they require some sort of pre-existing relationship, possibly one that is indirect and via intermediaries between the parties.